All right, good morning, dear students. So now I'm on the document objectives and homework. Okay, so this is what we did on week 8. So changes in the course outline. Again, I'm just going to repeat what I said in class. I'm going to be modifying the course outline again. I decided not to evaluate the oral competency in this class. Instead, we're going to focus on writing more. Okay, there are many reasons that justify my decision, and one of them is that I don't want to, and it would have been too complicated for me. Okay, the other thing is for me or for us. The other thing is the definite article the. So there's a video about it, plural, and how to write an intro. So these are the elements that I want you to focus on. So here, homework. Watch week 8 definite article. So the YouTube link is there. So you click on this and you watch definite article the. This is kind of a grammar element. Uh, Here, watch week 8 plural. So there's another YouTube clip about plural. So I want you to do with these two elements is this. I want you to watch them, watch the clips, okay? And now look at this. Where is that? So here on Leah, you have, this was the body paragraph that it was evaluated that you had to put on April 13th, right? What I want you to do, I want you to have a look at these two clips over there. Have a look at them. And I want you to correct them. Okay, to try to correct, to see if you made a mistake with the article, with this notion, this grammar notion, and this grammar notion. Okay, and you upload it again here on, you have until the 15th to do this. Now, you don't have to do it. You don't have to do it. But the odds are that if you watch this here and this there, and if you correct the mistakes, then you're going to have less mistakes and you're going to have a better grade. Okay? So that's part of the homework, okay? The other thing that I want you to do, I want you to watch this here, how to write an introduction. Okay, it's on Leah also. Well, this is going to be on Leah, but the clip is on YouTube. And I want you to write I want you to write an intro, and the question is this: how is COVID-19 changing the way you live your life right now? Okay, so you use a Word document. You watch this here in the video. Here, I explain what are the steps of in when writing an intro. Uh, I want you to identify the elements of the intro. What does that mean? I gave an example here at the end, I think. Yes. Look, so here on the slides, this is on layout, this PowerPoint, identify the elements. So blah, 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 blah. I put in parentheses this is the attention getter. I have the topic, the claim, and reason 1, reason 2. So I want you to identify the elements within putting them in parentheses. Okay, and I want you to keep in mind what the structure of an intro is. Okay, so you need an attention getter, one of the following. You need a thesis statement. Within your thesis statement, you need a topic, a claim, and 2 reasons. Okay, this is all on the slide here. This is all on the PowerPoint presentation explaining this here, and these are the criteria that I'll be using to evaluate your intro. Content number 1. Spelling, grammar number 2. Structure, coherence number 3. And this is due April. Sorry about that. April 20th. So you have until April 20th to do this. I just want to see. So 20th. Yes, April 20th. So this is what you have to do. These are the homework for this week. Sounds good? All right.